Welcome back to Agile Methodology Series. We are moving on to the next module, Implementing Agile in Projects, where we will first discuss about setting up Agile teams. Let's get started. In the Agile framework, the team is more than just a group of individuals working together. It's a cohesive unit that operates with flexibility, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to delivering value to customers. Setting up Agile teams involves careful consideration of team structure, roles, and the environment to promote Agile practices effectively. This lesson outlines the steps and considerations for forming Agile teams that can thrive in a dynamic project environment. I will explain the characteristics of effective Agile teams. First, cross-functional skills. Agile teams are composed of members with a variety of skills necessary to complete the project from start to finish, without depending on external parties. This includes development, testing, and business analysis. Self-organization. Agile teams manage their own workload and make project-related decisions collaboratively, rather than relying on directives from above. This empowers teams and enhances their accountability and ownership of the project. Communication and collaboration. Effective, agile. Teams prioritize open communication and collaboration, both within the team and with stakeholders. Regular meetings, shared workspaces, and team-building activities can support these efforts. Adaptability. The ability to quickly respond to changes is a hallmark of Agile teams. They embrace change as an opportunity to improve the product and the process. Let us go to the roles within Agile teams' product owner, responsible for defining the vision of the product, managing the product backlog, and ensuring the team delivers value to the business. Scrum Master Agile Coach facilitates the Agile process for the team, helps remove impediments, and ensures the team adheres to Agile values and practices. Team members include developers, designers, testers, and other roles necessary to develop the product. Team members are expected to collaborate closely, often taking on tasks outside their traditional role descriptions to meet the team's goals. Now, how do we foster a supportive Agile environment? First, physical and virtual workspaces. Design workspaces, physical or virtual, that encourage collaboration and make it easy for team members to communicate. Tools like online boards, video conferencing, and real-time document sharing can support a collaborative environment. Cultivating an Agile mindset. Beyond adopting Agile practices, fostering an Agile mindset among team members is crucial. This includes values like respect, courage, openness, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Training and resources. Provide team members with training on Agile methodologies and access to resources that can help them succeed. Continuous learning opportunities should be available to help the team stay current with Agile best practices. Feedback and continuous improvement. Implement regular retrospectives and feedback mechanisms to allow the team to reflect on their performance and identify areas for improvement. Celebrate successes and view failures as opportunities for growth. Setting up an Agile team is a strategic process that requires attention to team composition, roles, and the environment in which the team operates. By prioritizing the characteristics, you can form a team that is well-equipped to navigate the challenges of Agile projects. Remember, the goal is to create a team that not only delivers high-quality products, but also continuously improves and adapts to changing project needs. I hope we are still together. Please don't lose focus. Let us move to another lesson, Agile planning and estimation techniques. Agile planning and estimation involve forecasting the amount of work that can be completed in a given time frame by a team and providing a rough calculation of the effort required for individual tasks or features. Unlike traditional methods that often rely on detailed upfront planning, Agile techniques are iterative, flexible, and incorporate feedback from previous iterations to refine future estimates and plans. Let's us review the Agile planning levels vision and roadmap planning. At the highest level, involves defining the overall vision of the product and a roadmap outlining the major features or changes planned over time. This helps guide the team's efforts towards long-term goals. Release planning focuses on determining what features or improvements will be released to customers and when. This usually involves grouping features into releases based on their priority and the team's capacity. Iteration planning, also known as sprint planning in Scrum, This involves detailed planning of the work to be completed during an iteration or sprint. The team selects items from the product backlog that they can commit to completing based on their velocity or capacity. Okay, Agile estimation techniques, planning poker. A consensus-based technique where team members make estimates by playing numbered cards face down to the table, instead of speaking them aloud. Once all cards are revealed, discussions are held for high and low estimates to reach a consensus. T-shirt sizing involves categorizing tasks into sizes, for example, XS, S, M, L, XL, to provide a rough estimate of their relative complexity or time required. This method is useful for high-level or initial planning phases. The bucket system, a more rapid method of estimation, where large numbers of items are sorted into buckets or categories, representing different levels of effort or complexity. Affinity. Estimating. A collaborative technique where items to be estimated are placed on a wall or table, and the team organizes them into groups of similar effort. This is done quickly and encourages discussion and consensus. I hope we are still following. Lastly, implementing Agile estimation. Start small. Begin with small tasks that the team understands well to calibrate your estimation process. Use these as benchmarks for estimating larger or more complex tasks. Use historical data, leverage data from past projects or iterations, like velocity, to inform your estimates. Understanding how much work your team typically completes can guide more accurate planning. Revise. Estimates. Agile planning and estimation are iterative processes. Revisit and adjust your estimates based on the team's actual performance and any changes in project scope or priorities. Collaborate and communicate. Ensure that the entire team is involved in the estimation process. Different perspectives can lead to more accurate estimates and help identify potential issues early. You must know that Agile planning and estimation techniques are designed to enhance flexibility, accuracy, and team collaboration in project management. By understanding and applying these methods, Agile teams can better manage customer expectations, allocate resources effectively, and adapt to change efficiently. Continuous learning and adjustment are key to mastering Agile planning and estimation. Hope we understand? In our next class, we will explore effective sprint planning and execution. Thanks for joining. Do not forget to subscribe and drop your questions at the comment section.